Let's travel back in time. So this is a UNESCO heritage site. Ang kanyang itsura from above, ang ganda. I just realized napaka-magical ang color na green ng tubig. Parang K-drama.
You can see this picture here. So one of the
Is it this?
yes.
Oh, pretty beautiful. Ito daw yung kanilang city center. Kumbaga, Myeongdong kung ikukumpara natin sa Seoul. Ito talaga sinasabi nila na dapat natin matry. Ito daw yung must try, guys.
Representative of the wrestling.
Wow! Oh, debak!
Oh.
National representative of the wrestling. Yung experiences natin, interactions with the local, ito yung humuhulma sa travel experiences natin. Annyeong guys! Hello, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave the Kuripot Traveler. And finally, we're here sa pang-apat natin na tourism hub city na explore dito sa Korea. This is Andong, the capital of Korean spirit. Kung gusto talaga natin ng most, pinaka-Korean na experience, it's here in Andong. I cannot wait to explore this one because this is our first time here. And very interesting yung description sa kanya ng tour guide natin sa internet kasi always search ano ba yung bago, ano ba yung meron sa mga bago nating pinupuntahan, 'di ba? Para we get to appreciate it more. So ito na, dito na tayo. Kung nasaan tayo guys, ito daw yung kanilang city center. Kumbaga, Myeongdong kung ikukumpara natin sa Seoul. Yan. Picture, video. Is this the bakery? Yeah, okay. Our first stop dito sa Andong is the famous bakery na favorite ng ating tour guides. This is Mammoth. Mammoth. Since 1974. Wow. Pasok na tayo. Tingnan kung anong meron sa loob. What is the must-try bread here? Oh, this one? Cream cheese bread. Ito daw yung must-try, guys. Kakaibang kanyang itsura. Ito talaga sinasabi nila na dapat nating matry. Kaya tayo umaga nagpunta dito kasi pag mamayang hapon, baka wala na tayong makuha na tinapay yung bestseller nila. I have to leave.
I really wanted to try
Tanggulo. We can try it later.
And actually, it was her fault.
Why?
Because I was like
Ah.
waiting for her to.
She was slow.
I even gave her my card.
Andong. Andong streets. Yung pinuntan pala nating bakery kanina, it was named as one of the Michelin guides. Michelin, yun yung naglalagay ng mga stars sa mga restaurant, mga kainan. In 2011. So, it's really famous na bakery. Tapos, yung Andong pala, it's also known as the City of Healing. Kung gusto yun ng soul searching, I think you can do it in Andong. Tahimik siya. It's 2 times bigger daw than Seoul in terms of area. Okay. This restaurant is called Katsu Yean and it's popular for its tonkatsu, pork cutlet. Okay? Yan ang special dito, pork cutlet. Our first stop is of course lunch. Oh, private room. The food is Korean style.
Korean,
Or
Japanese Korean.
Japanese Korean style, tonkatsu. So meron din naman silang non-pork food, just like that, the fish, para sa mga hindi kumakain ng pork.
Y por fuera es frito y viene con ensalada, con kimchi.
Interpreter.
Rábano.
Ganito talaga pag ang kasama yung mga content creator. Ito na guys ang ating food, tonkatsu. Tapos meron ditong... What is this gulay? What is this vegetables? Cabbage. Yeah, cabbage. And then may pasos. And then, meron tayong tonkatsu sauce. Of course, the Korean side dish. And some soup. Let's go. Nagpapanggap na marunong mag-chopsticks. Ooh. nag-order tayo guys ng extra rice. That's the culture of Vietnam. You don't eat rice in the breakfast. Really? So just lunch and dinner. Because in the Philippines, morning it should be the meal with rice for energy. So this is the Yeki village in Andong, guys. So this is an artistic village with lots of murals, galleries from local artists. Look at the street, guys. Is a large mural on the floor. First gallery will enter. Okay. Silang gumawa.
Y la señora nos preguntó de dónde
Oh, Harmony. Handmade.
está hecho a mano.
Yes, silang gumawa nito. Nasa 347 pesos, 8,001. Tapos ito, mga Harmony. There are more.
What's your head?
Oh, alright.
This is other artist.
So this is the artist. So how long is this exhibition?
Couple of months.
A couple of months. Mahilig ba kayo sa arts, guys? This reminds me of our beloved summer. Chweung. Pero sa kanya naman mga drawing eh. Pero, diba? We're in Korea and we're in an exhibit. So, nagsulat tayo dyan, naglog tayo. So, tayong first from the Philippines. So, made it here kasi kunti lang daw talagang foreigners dito sa Andong. And look, ganda ng view from the gallery. Let's go. I'll just follow your framing. You're good at that. But my gosh, our photos in Mokpo were blurred. I just saw your photos.
But
It was
I
blurred.
loved it.
Oh, you loved it? Okay, you loved it. Healing kong healing talaga kasi tahimik. Lalakad na tayo sa may mural place. Are your photos okay?
Okay.
Okay, you let me know if you want more. Wow. I love it here. Whoa. Pretty, beautiful. Tapos ito ang ganda. Required kaya yung mga bahay dito, naglagyan ng mural yung kanilang mga bahay. Or just everyone loves murals. Pero ang ganda. So ang konsepto nito parang bridge. Ayan. Parang bridge. Tapos ito ay tubig. Ayun. Ang ganda nito. Guys, anong prutas kaya to? Or tomato ba yan? Wait nga, hawakan nga natin. Oh, not sure. May mga isda. Ang ganda. And oh, may bakas na ng autumn, guys. Hello. Thank you so much. What is that fruit? Guail. Guail. What is that fruit?
Gum.
K-A-M?
G
G.
A M.
Gum.
Gum.
Gum. Oh, okay. Persimmon. This
Oh.
one, persimmon.
Okay, okay,
Oh,
okay.
kamsamnida. Persimmon. Thank you. Ganda ng mga CR dito. Look, guys, it's almost autumn. Wow. Namumula na yung leaves. Ay, favorite season ko yung autumn. Iba yung ganda ng autumn talaga. Pakinggan natin. May background music. Ang ganda, guys. Breathtaking. And look. Autumn leaves. We're walking sa bridge. Ito daw yung isa sa mga highlight dito sa Andong. Just beautiful. Kansya na yo. Meron ditong depiction ng Andong in the past. Let's go. We're coming! Ang ganda. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Debak. Green yung waters, oh. Ano kayang silbi niyan? Ask natin si Jade. Wow. Jade is our oma, our tour guide dito. I just realized napaka-magical ng color na green ng tubig. Ganun siya tingnan, parang K-drama. Wow. Sabi ni Jade, our tour guide, this is an artificial lake. So, this is a very new experience to us. Nice.
50 years ago. So they used to have a village. You see the one pictures in the middle, right?
Yeah.
They used to have a elementary school and the village and all the houses.
So, this is a dam, and before, there used to be people here.
Yeah.
This a small town here around. Are they cleaning the water right
Yeah,
now?
right.
Yeah, they're cleaning the water. So, this is a dam. Look. So, the village before,
You try pa?
it's here.
Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Kazakhstan,
Mexico.
Philippines, Mexico.
Andong locals.
He was the national representative of the wrestling.
Whoa! Oh, debak.
대박.
National representative of the wrestling. Wow.
Oh, he's from famous sports athletic students.
Wow.
우리 집사님은 서울에서 저기 내무부의 최고 고위 관료직에
He was a government official when he was young.
Debak.
대박.
My favorite word. Wow.
네, 잠깐 여행하러 왔어요.
아, 성함은요. 그냥 미스터 스라고 하면 돼. 미스터 스. 미스터 스.
Mr. So. Yes. A former athlete, national representative of wrestling. Bye-bye. 안녕하세요. Naging photographer si V. Let's go. Guys, may na-meet tayo. Mga harabuji na locals ng Andong. I just felt the warmth of the Andong people. Talagang inintroduce nila sa atin. As in, na-meet lang natin yon habang naglalakad. They introduced the Andong before this dam. Yung itsura ng Andong dati. Nakakatuwa lang. Yung experiences natin, interactions with the local, ito yung humuhulma din sa travel experiences natin. Guys, meron din ditong, mga hanok style na structures. Let's go. May convenience store dyan after nyo mag-explore. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Mexican delicacy from Diana.
Sour spicy.
Spicy, sour, sweet.
sweet at all.
Gomitas, enchiladas. It's like
Particularly, nasa Dusan Sowon Confucian Academy Andong tayo. So, built in the 1500s. So, this is a UNESCO heritage site. Alright? Itong academy na ito. Dusan Sowon. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. It's giving autumn. Ganda. So this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's an academy. So guys, let's travel back in time. Ganda.
This one called 시사단. Can you read the Chinese character? 시사단. 시사단. So it used to be like more in the bottom, but when they built the dam, the water dam, they don't want to get sink. So they made a body foundation 10 meter high. They put the shrine together. Also, this is called Dosan Sawon. When you see 1,000 Korean money, you can see this place. You know this is the King Sejong who created Korean writing system.
Yes.
You can see his picture in front of Gyeongbok Palace, holding a gold book with a gold statue, right? This is the 5,000. You will see his hometown. Actually, he was born in near the borderline between North and South Korea, but his mother's hometown is Gangneung, where we are heading tomorrow. So you can see his mother's picture here. Somehow the mother looks so younger than son, but he and 태계 율곡 1000.
Yeah.
This is one of the competition during the Joseon dynasty.
Their competition?
Yeah, so they have
Rivalry?
two different opposite opinion, opposite theory
these two.
will get together. So this is one of the outstanding scholar during the Joseon dynasty. So we put 1000 태계 이황 picture, one of a scholar, one of a respectable teacher, and 태계 율곡 picture at 5000. And backside you can see this picture here. So one of the
Is it this?
yes used to be like this, but now it changes. 그렇구나. Yes, the picture. Yeah, different. And also you can see her mother's painting. Her mother.
Her mother's,
mother's
oh, his
painting.
mother's painting.
And also when you touch this part, let me show you. There's two dots, right? Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 5000. If you see 1000, one dot.
Ah, it's for
For
Why?
blind people can figure it out. And this is a big dot for 50,000.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
lines.
Yes. So
What about them?
10,000
okay.
had a three dots. It's a new money. 1,000 come from. This is mine. Okay. This is.
So, nakaka-amaze yung pera ng Korea because it is based sa mga scholars. Tapos yung mga scholars nila, ano lang, simple living. Hindi yung mga pa-engrande. Kahit matatalino sila, they chose to live a simple life. Let's enter. Let's travel back in time. Oh. This is the study room for students. Wow.
En esas casas, en esta, era donde vivían.
Silipin natin sa loob.
All the buildings are quite meaningful. Also, he designed himself like architecture. So
the
I want you
teacher.
to look at in the middle.
Pagpasok dito guys, ang bungad sa atin ay yung student room. Tapos ito naman ay teacher's room.
Residential building during the winter season. Here, see, Korean house doesn't have a furniture. If you have a belongings, you put in a storage. Also, all the days when you wear the hanbok, not like us when you try to use the hanbok. So there's no
Teacher's
button,
room.
no zipper.
So kanina guys, yan yung teacher's room. Bale, may heating yan sa ilalim ng bahay. Kaya pala walang mga second floor or third floor yung mga rooms. Kasi yung heating system, mabigat for a second tapos third floor. Pasok tayo dito. So this are lectures room. I mean lecture rooms. It's prohibited to enter there. Okay, so let's be respectful of this. Ayan guys, ang kanyang itsura from above, ang ganda. Time to go home. At least nagkaroon tayo ng glimpse ng isang UNESCO World Heritage Site, no? Dito sa Andong. That's it guys. A quick tour of one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites dito sa Korea. Itong Dusan Suwon Academy. In a short period of time, we were able to learn about its history kasi mahalagang bahagi ito ng Korean history. Nakakatuwa na yung mga scholars, they wanted their lives to remain humble, 'di ba? Simple versus talaga, for example ngayon, 'di ba, yung mga government officials talagang kapalan na ng mukha, 'di ba? Pakita ng pakita ng yaman. Very opposite sa kung anong pinakita ng mga scholars ng Korea. So matatalino guys yung nag-aral dito, just selected few. Alright, so that's our final stop for today. This Dusan Suwon Academy. Mabilis lang tayo dito, but I hope na ipakita ko sa inyo some parts of the city na pwede nyo mabisita kung magpunta kayo sa Andong. So this is Dave guys, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Let's go!